Greetings, I'm David Tamir, founder and CEO of the Smart Airport Technologies Association. We're a nonprofit educational organization facilitating best practices for airport innovations. Our annual Airportech International Symposium is only 1 week away, taking place Tuesday, February 3rd through Friday, February 6th at the Miami Airport Hilton Blue Lagoon. It's not too late to register and participate. Allow me to briefly walk you through our incredible educational agenda, which you don't want to miss, involving over 50 airport use case presentations, short courses, and expert panel discussions. So let's take a quick look at it. You can see our agenda on our website. It's at smartairports.org. This is our welcome page. If you click on this top banner, it takes you to the Airportech information, or you can use this menu here to go to Airportech. Here you have a lot of information about Airportech, including links and information on different speakers and videos, testimonials of what they're going to be speaking about. So you can take a look at that as well. But let's just jump to the agenda real quick right here, Airportech agenda. And over here, you can simply see a high-level agenda in a PDF form, which you can download, and you can use that. It's a 2-pager. But if you want to see more details, you can scroll further down and get into the details of the agenda. And for example, on Wednesday during the plenary session, you'll be able to get into more details. What I'm going to do right now is I am going to switch over to my mind mapping tool, where I'm managing the agenda in more details and walk you through it. So as you can see, our agenda is spanning Tuesday through Friday. Monday is a travel day for an on-site prep. So on Tuesday, it's our soft start. And during the soft start, we welcome airport owner representatives and other guests to our association advisory team lunch meeting, where we will be discussing what our association will be focused on in 2026 and looking for guidance from the airport owner representatives. We then are going to shift to a couple of short courses. Our first short course starts at 2 p.m. It's scaling everyday innovations in airports, how to transform culture and build an AI-ready organization. We have an expert instructor here. This is aimed at airport staff primarily to help them innovate and leverage AI tools. After that, we have another short course. It's almost a couple hours on how to automate BIM standards checking and data harvesting from BIM via Safe Software's FME suite. In the evening, we're going to have a casual reception by the pool and the Blue Lagoon of the hotel with cocktails and appetizers, so everybody can network and meet each other. The main opening day is Wednesday of the event, full day event that starts with breakfast. And we're going to start off right after breakfast with welcome remarks from the Miami-Dade Aviation Department. We're then going to have a keynote presentation on how we're going to deal with robots and designing the human experience in this age of airport robotics that is upon us. That keynote by Christian Bauspick will be followed by a Q&A panel of experts to discuss the topic. After a short coffee break, we're going to continue into our Eagle's Nest Forum. It's our version of Shark Tank, where we are evaluating emerging technologies to innovate at airports. The first round of our Eagle's Nest involves AI-powered robotics and emerging solutions. There will be 3 back-to-back types of robots presented with Q&A by a panel of experts. We will then shift to another presentation panel discussion on driving airport innovations and overcoming challenges within the airport organizations. Over lunch, we're going to have a fireside chat with Maurice Jenkins, discussing his nearly 40 years at the Miami-Dade Aviation Department, where he is now the Chief Innovation Officer. After lunch, we're going to continue with a presentation panel discussion on Total Airport Management Intelligence, or TAMI, with Meta AI to optimize airport operations. We are then going to shift to another presentation panel discussion on what do we need to do to redesign our data centers and communication infrastructure to support TAMI and Meta AI. After a short coffee break, we will continue with 2 more Eagle's Nest rounds, one on AI-powered video and LiDAR emerging solutions, and another on airport management AI emerging solutions. We will then have a 30-minute break, and then the cocktails with exhibitors, followed by our annual awards dinner banquet, where we will be recognizing several prominent individuals in the industry with career recognition awards, and we will also be recognizing the various presenters of the airport use cases that will be taking place on Thursday. So let's take a look at Thursday. Thursday is a packed day with 2 parallel tracks after breakfast. We won't mention here which track is which. You can see that on our agenda. We have a session on Airport Capital Improvement Program digitalization with use cases from Miami, from Charlotte, and from several other airports on ORAT, operational readiness, activation, and training. We will then have a session on airport asset management digitalization, moderated by Majid Khater, who recently retired from Las Vegas and will be sharing with us his lessons learned over his long career there. We will have use cases from the Port Authority, New York, New Jersey, several other airports, such as Sanford Airport on Part 139 digitalization, including SMS, and also from Miami International Airport. Our next use case session is on airport operations optimization, where we will be having a use case from a NASA study on how to improve safety on the airfield. We will also be looking at other use cases from Indra for ACDM, AOP, and other airport terminal optimization, and also a presentation on virtual ramp control towers that is being used at airports such as Orlando International Airport, Fort Lauderdale, and others. Our next use case session is on airport user experience, hyper-personalization, where we will be looking at examples from several airports using wayfinding technologies by Mapped-In and passenger security screening, AI-powered slot management based on lessons learned from Schiphol Amsterdam Airport. We will have a lunch presentation by Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, and then continue with our next session on airport use cases. This one is on airport digital twins. We will have an overall presentation and panel discussion on what are airport digital twins for the airport enterprise, and we will look at use cases from LAX and from Tampa. Our next use case session is on airport robotics, automation, and drones, or what we call RAD, and we will look at several use cases involving robots, autonomous ground vehicles for baggage handling, and AI-powered safety security drone inspections. Our next session here is on airport electrification, resilience, and sustainability. We will be having presentation panel discussion on what Miami International Airport is doing, and also on microgrids taking off. A panel discussion with several expert panelists from various organizations, including the National Renewable Energy Laboratory. We will then wrap up that session with a presentation on smaller airports on the path to become energy hubs. And the last but not least use case session is on airport data communications infrastructure and cybersecurity, where we will be looking at examples from Miami and from Baltimore International Airport, and have a panel discussion with experts. After that, we will have a technology showcase happy hour hosted by Trimble, and folks will be able to go to dinner at the beautiful Miracle Mile restaurants in Miami Beach as they wish. The event is not over. We have a Friday morning 2 tracks of short courses. We with after breakfast, of course, with exhibitors. The first track is short courses on achieving and sustaining airport digital twins. We have several courses on developing a BIM-centric digital ecosystem, a blueprint for an airport digital twin. We have another one on digital twin open architecture, spatial database management systems approach. And the third is on developing effective BIM standards in support of airport projects and sustainable enterprise digital twins. The second track has to do more with improving airport business processes via technology innovation implementations. We have a course on airport technology road mapping and systems implementation best practices and business process modeling and KPI metrics. We then have a course on why computerized maintenance management systems projects fail in airports, a dual examination of technical gaps and human factors and how to improve upon these. Last but not least, we expect Microsoft to be presenting to us on their business intelligence and AI solutions. So that wraps up our agenda. We may have a site visit after that on Friday afternoon. We are working to make that happen. So thank you for taking the time to walk through the agenda with me. We hope to see you next week at Airportech in Miami. It's going to be a great event. Don't miss out. See you soon.